Unravel the mystery, converting decimals into fractions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the world of numbers, specifically, the fascinating area of converting decimals into fractions. It might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step and make it as easy as pie. First things first, let's briefly touch upon what decimals are. In the simplest terms, a decimal is a number expressed in the base 10 system. They're a way of representing fractions where the denominator is a power of 10. For example, 0.5, 0.75, and 0.125 are all decimals. Moving on, let's have a quick look at fractions. A fraction consists of two numbers separated by a slash. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is the denominator. For instance, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now comes the main part, converting decimals to fractions. It's simpler than you might think. Here's how you do it. 1. Identify the place value of the decimal. For example, if we have 0.75, the place value goes up to the hundredths place. 2. Write the decimal as the numerator. In our example, we'd write 75. 3. Write the place value as the denominator. Since 0.75 goes up to the hundredths place, our denominator will be 100. So, 0.75 as a fraction is 75/100ths. The final step is simplifying the fraction. To simplify, you divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor. In our case, the greatest common divisor of 75 and 100 is 25. So, when we divide both numbers by 25, we get 3/4. Thus, 0.75 as a simplified fraction is 3/4. And there you have it. Converting decimals to fractions is a piece of cake once you understand the steps. Remember, identify the place value, write it as a fraction, and then simplify. Thanks for joining me in today's session. I hope this video has helped you understand the process of converting decimals to fractions. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in English language learning. Happy learning, everyone!